Today we're unboxing the Thunder Zoom TH50Z. Designed for clarity, precision, and extreme performance. Inside the box, you get the charger, rechargeable battery packs, Thunder Zoom scope, and everything you need to get started. Thunder Zoom 2.0 features a 384 by 288 thermal sensor, delivering incredible detail even in total darkness. What makes this unique is its optical zoom, dual lenses allowing you to switch field of view without losing image quality. With replaceable, rechargeable batteries and up to 6.5 hours of continuous operation, it's built for long sessions in the field. The high-resolution OLED display gives you clear, layered images with multiple reticle profiles and quick access controls. With a detection range of up to 2,600 meters, the Thunder Zoom is designed for both open fields and wooded environments. The Thunder Zoom TH50Z 2.0, precision, power, clarity.